What is the perfect counterpart in Python for while not EOF? To read some text file, in C or Pascal, I always use the following snippets to read the data until EOF. Thus, I wonder how can I do this simple and fast in Python.
Loop over the file to read lines. File objects are iterable and yield lines until EOF. Using the file object as an iterable uses a buffer to ensure performant reads. You can do the same with the stem, no need to use raw_input. To complete the picture, binary reads can be done with. Where chunk will contain up to 1024 bytes at a time from the file, and iteration stops when open_for_the_object.read 1024 starts returning empty byte strings.
You can imitate the C idiom in Python. To read a buffer up to max_size, 0, number of bytes, you can do this. Or, a text file line by line. You need to use while true, break construct since there is no EOF test in Python other than the lack of bytes returned from a read. In C, you might have. However, you cannot have this in Python. Because assignments are not allowed in expressions in Python, although recent versions of Python can mimic this using assignment expressions, see below. It is certainly more idiomatic in Python to do this. Update: since Python 3.8 you may also use assignment expressions. That works even if the line read is blank and continues until EOF.
The Python idiom for opening a file and reading it line by line is: the file will be automatically closed at the end of the above code. The with construct takes care of that. Finally, it is worth noting that line will preserve the trailing new line. This can be easily removed using
You can use below code snippet to read line by line, till end of file.
If you want to see more, please use